Once, I struggled with balancing work and personal life, feeling overwhelmed. Observing nature, I noticed how predators and prey maintain balance. This inspired me to adopt a similar approach, prioritize tasks like a predator, and let go of less important ones like prey. This technique helped me focus on what truly mattered, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Embracing this natural balance taught me that letting go is as crucial as holding on. Try this nature inspired strategy to find harmony in your life. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.